Welcome to your math class. Student, today we are going to solve the questions of exercise 6.1. So see the first question. First question is given there in figure lines A, B and CD. Lines A, B and CD intersect at O if AOC plus BOE 70 degree. AOC plus BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree. Angle BOD is 40 degree. Then find BOE. Angle BOE. We have to find this angle. Okay? We have to find the angles. And the reflex of angle COE, it's a reflex. Its a reflex is that one. So children, here given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So, and angle BOD is given. Angle B, this is given. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. If angle BOD is 40 degree, it means angle BOD and AOC vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC, that is 40 degree. How? Vertically opposite angle. Opposite angles, as we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. If AOC is 40 degree, means in equation 1 replace AOC by 40 degree, so what we will get? 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and we have to find angle BOA. So children, angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Transpose 40 from left to right, so minus 40 degree. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now student, we have to find the value of a reflex of COE. So children, how we will find the reflex of COE? So here COD is a line. If COD is a line, it means these angles. Angle COE plus EOB plus BOD is 180 degree. Okay, these are linear pairs. By linear pairs you can say that. So angle BOD plus BOE plus angle BOE plus angle COE. Angle COE is equal to 180 degree, because this is a straight line. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, its sum will be 180 degree. Okay, straight angle. Now student, we know that BOD is 40 degree plus BOE, so we got BOE is 30 degree. 30 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So 30 plus 50, 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Now children, angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. But it is asked reflex angle COA. So angle COE is 110 degree. If this angle is 110 degree, so what is the reflex of this? So reflex angle COE is equal to 360, because total angle is 360 minus angle COE, that is 110 degree, is equal to 250 degree. It's clear? Here lines XY and MM intersect each other at O. Okay. Angle POY, this is 90 degree, and A ratio B. Here given that ratio of A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. A is to B is 2 is to 3. Find C. We have to find C1. So children, if I give POY is 90 degree, then POX is also 90 degree. Yes. So children, angle POY is equal to angle POX. Okay, by linear pair. By linear pair, because this is our straight line. So children, if POY is 90 degree, so angle POX equal to, we got 90 degree. But it is given that angle POX is divided in two parts in angle A and B. Its ratio is given 2:3. So A is to B given 2:3. So let angle A is equal to 2x. We consider angle A is 2x, and this is angle A, and angle B is 3x because it's a 3. So we consider angle A is 2x and angle B is 3x. Okay children, now 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree, because 2x plus 3x, angle A plus B, POX is the sum of angle A and B. So children, its sum is 2x plus 3x, that is 90 degree. So 2 plus 3, 5x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree divided by 5 is equal to 18 degree. What is the value of x? That is 18 degree. So it means children, angle A is what we got? Angle A we consider 2x. It means 2x is 2 multiplied by 18, that is 36 degree. Now angle B, that is 3x. So 3 multiplied by replace x by 18 is equal to 54x. But children, we have to find the value of C. What is the C? B plus C. Angle B and angle C are linear pair. So angle B plus angle C, these are sum of angle B plus C is 180 degree. Okay, because it is a angle on a straight line. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. And here children, POY and POX, because this 180 degree, so it is a perpendicular. OP is perpendicular. So if it is 90 degree, so it is also 90 degree. Here is not linear pair. Okay, because these are OP is perpendicular on XY. OP perpendicular on XY. That's why both angles POY and POX are equal, that is 90 degree. So now children, angle B is 54 degree. So 54 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 54. So subtracting, and we get angle C is equal to 126 degree. It's clear? This is the question number 3. In figure PQR equal to PRQ, angle PQR and PRQ, these both angles are equal. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to PRQ. This is given. Okay. So children, in figure, angle PQS and PQR, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. How? By linear pair, because these two angles are linear pair. So you write by linear pair. So this is equation number 1. Now children, here PRT, angle PRT plus angle PRQ, this is also linear pair. Yes. So angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 2 by linear pair. Okay. Now children, we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So what we get? Angle PQS plus angle PQR minus left hand side will subtracted from left hand side minus angle PRT minus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree, that is cancelled. So we get angle PQS plus angle PQR. Okay, this is means angle PQS plus angle PQR minus angle PRT minus angle PRQ is equal to 0. But student, we know that it is given that angle PQR is equal to PRQ. It is given, what is given? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRT. It means PRT can be replaced by, this is equation number 3. Now from equation 3 we get what we get here. PQR and PRT both are equal. This is given PQR and PRQ both are equal. PRT and PRQ, sorry, here is Q. PRQ both are equal. So children, we can replace PRQ by PQR. Yes. So angle PQS plus angle PQR minus angle PRT minus here PRQ is equal to PQR, so we can write angle PQR is equal to 0. So plus PQR minus PQR is cancelled, so we get PQS minus PRT is equal to 0. Now transpose it, so we get PQS is equal to PRT. So this we have to prove, that is proved. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. This is exercise 6.1. This is question number 4. In figure, if xy is equal to y plus z, then y plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Okay, here given that x plus y is equal to w plus z, x plus y is equal to w plus z, we have to prove that AOB is a line. So how AOB is a line? If x and y is a linear pair, means the sum of x plus y is 180 degree. So given that whatever is given, we will write that given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now we prove that. What we have to prove? We prove that x plus y is equal to 180 degree or w plus z is equal to 180 degree. If x plus y is 180 degree, then this is a straight angle. It means AOB is a line. Yes. Either we prove z plus w is equal to 180 degree, but we will prove here x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This is we have to prove. Children, as we know that if x plus y plus w plus z, so when we will add them, so they form a circle, they form a complete angle. Yes, x plus y plus z plus w, when we will add them, so they form a complete angle. So what is the complete angle? Complete angle is 360 degree. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now here given that in equation first x plus y is equal to w plus z, it means w plus z, we replace w plus z by x plus y. Yes. So x plus y is plus w plus z replaced by x plus y again, so we get 360. Now x plus x, that is 2x plus y plus y, that is 2y, is equal to 360 degree. Now we take 2 as a common, so we get x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Now children, we have to prove x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So by transposition law, transpose to from left to right, so we get x plus y is equal to 360 degree upon 2. So when 2 divides 360, it gives 180. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, it means AOB is a line. Hence prove that AOB is a line. Clear? Question number 5. It is given in figure POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. So OS is another ray. OS is another ray between rays OP and OR. Prove that ROS means we have to prove that ROS is equal to 1 upon 2 minus QOS minus POS. Okay. So children, how will you prove? In this figure, ROS. So can we write angle ROS is equal to angle ROS is equal to, we can write this angle ROS means ROP minus SOP. We subtract this angle from this, so we get this one ROS. Okay, when ROS is equal to, we can write angle ROP minus ROP minus SOP minus SO. This is equation number. Now children, angle ROS is equal to we can write ROQ, angle ROQ minus SOQ, this one SOQ minus ROQ minus angle ROQ. It's clear? Okay. As we know that ROP and ROQ are equal. This is equation number 2 because OR is the perpendicular on a straight line POQ, so they fall 90 degree. So ROQ and ROP both are 90 degree. So since angle ROP is equal to angle ROQ, that is 90 degree. We have to prove ROS equal to 1 upon 2 this. So children, we will add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So we get, what we get? ROS and ROS in left hand side. 2 angle ROS is equal to ROP angle ROP minus angle SOP minus angle SOP plus angle SOQ minus angle ROQ. So children, ROP and ROQ both are equal. So we can write 2 angle ROS is equal to ROP is equal to here. ROP is equal to ROQ. So ROP replaced by ROQ. So we get ROQ minus angle SOP plus angle SOQ minus angle ROQ. So ROQ and ROQ is cancelled. So what we get? We get 2 angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus angle SOP. Angle we may write SOQ minus angle SOP. Okay, children, SOQ and SOP. So we can write angle ROS is equal to SOQ. So SOQ, ROQS both are equal. So QOS you can write angle QOS minus SOP you can write SOP as a POS. So angle POS. Now transpose 2 from left to right. So what will we get? Angle ROS is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. Is clear? This is true. This is question number 6. It is given there. It is given that angle XYZ. So angle X Y and Z. So angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. This is 64 degree. Now angle XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. This is point P. Draw a figure from the given information. Figure is done. Now if ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, angle ZYP, this is angle ZYP, a ray which is YQ which is bisect this one, means if it is X, so it will be also X. Okay, so find angle XOQ. We have to find angle XYQ. This one, angle XYQ. We have to find this angle and the reflex of YQP. Reflex of YQP. Okay, means QYP. So children, first we will find this angle and this one. So here angle XYZ is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, but angle XYZ and ZYP a linear pair. So angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. XYZ plus ZYP by linear pair, they are equal. But here children, XYZ is given 64 degree. So replace this one by 64 plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degree. Now we get angle ZYP is equal to 180 degree by transposition law minus 64. When we will subtract it, what we will get? We get 116 degree. Angle ZYP is equal to 116 degree. ZYP is 116 degree and here angle ray YQ bisect it. It means angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP. Angle QYP. So angle QYP is equal to angle ZYQ is equal to they both are equal. It means total is 116. Total is 116. So what if 116 is there? Na? So what is this angle? That will be 116 degree divided by 2 is equal to 58 degree. So our first one answer we got angle. Yes, we have to find the reflex of this. We have to find the reflex of QYP. So what is the reflex? Reflex angle QYP. Okay, so QYP is 58 degree. So 360 minus 58 degree. So subtract it. 302 degree. So reflex of angle QYP, that is 302 degree. But we have to find angle XYK. Angle XYQ. So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus ZYQ. So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ. So children, XYZ is given 64 degree plus ZYQ, that is 58 degree. 58 degree. Now add them. What you will get? 8 4 12 6 6 12 122 degree. So angle XYQ is 122 degree and reflex of QYP, that is 302 degree. So one answer is there and this is the second answer.